We're seeing this first round of storms moving toward the east, now affecting communities closer to the shoreline. There is another round of storms just to the west about to cross over I-75. That's heading east and will be in our area in roughly about an hour. We are seeing a pulse of some heavier snow that has now moved into parts of Montmorency and Oscoda counties, also western sections of Alpena County, where we're seeing these darker blue colors. There's an area of high pressure that is setting up over South Dakota that will eventually bring us some calmer and brighter weather. But in the meantime, it is steering winds out of the northwest in our direction. And as those northwest winds travel over Lake Superior, we are going to see some lake effect snow showers. Snowfall amounts through this afternoon already picked up about 5 inches of snow in Marquette, with more currently falling and accumulating through the rest of this evening. Just north of Escanaba, we've seen a report of 6 inches of snow coming through, and across much of the UP, we can expect snowfall amounts between ½ a foot and a foot. Currently, we have an area of low pressure over eastern Iowa, and that is bringing the messy weather as we go through tomorrow. We've got rain in green out ahead of the area of low pressure. That's going to move through later tonight into tomorrow morning. In the afternoon, we're going to see the snow on the northwestern side of this storm system. It could follow the orange path to our south over the weekend, or it could follow the more northern purple path up to our west, and the purple path would bring us some warmer and wetter conditions as we go into Sunday. If it follows the orange path to our south, it will graze our area on Sunday, bring a quicker changeover from rain to a wintry mix. In the blizzard warning, we've got snow about 2 to 4 inches, frequent gusts well over 35 miles per hour, visibility reduced to under a quarter mile at times, lasting for at least 3 hours. As we go through the rest of the night, we will still see sustained wind speeds 25 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 50. By the morning, wind speeds about 20 miles per hour, still some higher gusts. As we get into tomorrow evening, we'll see those winds really relaxing closer to 10 miles per hour as we go through Monday night. As we go into Saturday, a dry start to the morning. In the afternoon, a wintry mix arriving with that risk of freezing rain and sleet. Saturday evening, as we see warmer temperatures moving in, a changeover to rain. And for Sunday, starting off with rain, then Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, we're going to see dropping temperatures causing a changeover to snow with strong winds developing. That happens when the Earth casts a shadow over the moon, blocking any sunlight from reflecting off of the moon. It doesn't happen all that often because the orbit of the moon around the Earth is on a 5-degree tilt compared to the Earth's orbit. So most of the time, the moon is actually a little bit higher up in its orbit or a little bit lower relative to the Earth. On the left, we have ground level winds out of the west and upper level winds at 9,000 feet out of the north. Those are much different wind directions. That's going to tear apart the development of lake effect snow. But if the winds are about the same direction at both near the ground and 9,000 feet, that's going to bring better development, more organized lake effect snow. When you exhale that air, the water content in what you're breathing out has to condense because cold air holds less water vapor. That's water in gas state compared to warm air. We are looking at some very messy weather, lots of accumulating snow tomorrow. Tonight is the calm before the storm. All we are seeing right now are cloudy skies. Earlier in the day, we did see some lake effect snow showers off of Lake Michigan. Some steadier snow earlier around Petoskey and also around Bel Air. We also saw a few flurries make their way into Alpena, but all is quiet for now. That's going to change over the next 12 hours. We also have this winter storm warning for all of northern Michigan that has been issued by the National Weather Service. For us in northeast Michigan, the warning starts at 4 a.m. early tomorrow and goes up until 10 p.m. tomorrow evening, accumulating snow and blowing snow being a concern. For some of us, we're currently seeing wind chills into the -20s. It's -11 in Mayo, a wind chill just shy of -20 at -19. But notice the breeze is quite light. When temperatures are this cold, it really does not take much wind to produce a noticeable wind chill. -12 degrees in Oscoda with a wind chill at -25 and -9 in Rogers City with a current wind chill at -21. Currently in Alpena, we have mostly cloudy skies, a temperature of -13. Here, the winds are calm, so we are not seeing much in the way of a wind chill and relative humidity at 86%. Here's the snow that's coming tomorrow. It is slumping towards the southeast, but there is plenty of snow back up north of the Canadian border as well, so we have plenty of snow to get through over the next 24 hours or so. As we take a look at the futurecast for tonight, remaining dry, mostly cloudy. As we go into the morning, that's when we're going to see the snow arriving into our area throughout the afternoon, becoming quite steady, blowing snow, reducing visibilities out on the roadways through the afternoon and evening, with wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. So as we go through the evening, still some steady snow. Finally, after midnight, we'll really see the snow weaken in its intensity. Still a few scattered snow showers as we go through the day on Tuesday, but much lighter than anything that we are going to see tomorrow. For tonight, low temperatures for most places dropping below -10, wind chills well into the -20s, dry weather overnight. Snow arrives tomorrow in the morning, becoming heavier as we go into the afternoon. Highs reaching 12 degrees in Alpena, colder in Presque Isle County, a little bit warmer for the shoreline south of Alpena, with highs reaching the upper teens. Winds also out of the east about 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 30, which is only going to complicate things and make travel even more difficult as we go into tomorrow afternoon. So snow starts tomorrow morning. Heaviest snow coming during the afternoon and evening. We're going to see blowing snow as well, creating difficult travel conditions. By Tuesday morning, the snow is going to end. We have a high of 12 for tomorrow, dropping to 2 early on Tuesday. Here's how much snowfall I am anticipating by the time we wake up early Tuesday morning. 5 to 8 inches in this green zone to the north, including Presque Isle County. 7 to 11 inches of snow around Alpena and for all the areas in orange. Farther south around Tawas, Rose City, West Branch in the pink area. 10 to 15 inches of snow in the forecast. Lighter scattered snow showers on Tuesday, highs around 5 on Wednesday, with a chance for lake effect flurries. We finally have a couple of dry days in the forecast for Thursday, warming into the teens by Friday, upper 20s by Saturday. Next weekend, it'll be warm enough we could be seeing a rain-snow mix.